All my fellow Filipinos. Now, this is my side. Listen, look, and listen, and learn.
No catching, sir. The kids, no catching. No, hindi niya kami nakita yung mata.
Okay.
Hindi po yan, sir eh. Di ko rin po, iba-iba po, sir. Kasi madalas din silang mag-away. Lagi silang nagkuka ng divorce din.
Divorce.
Yes, divorce.
Divorce.
Divorce, yun na yun. No. Then call me. I'm in the way. Pushing the car because our car damage.
Ganunin ko lang, sir.
No, bully. No, sir. Wait lang, sir. I just explaining first.
Sorry, sir. Pero bakit ganun? Hindi ko kayo pinatulan lahat-lahat. Ang sabi ko lang, the truth will set be free. Yun na, lalabas ang katotohanan. Yes, I don't know if this is true or false.